It's not a skyscraper, but nature's own architecture. This is Edinburgh Hill in Antarctica. At first glance, it looks man-made, but these basalt pillars were formed by cooling volcanic lava millions of years ago. The lava cooled so perfectly that it created precise vertical columns standing 110 meters tall on Livingston Island. This wonder proves that Antarctica isn't just ice, it's home to ancient volcanic secrets frozen in time. Which is cooler, ice pillars or these stone towers? Comment below and subscribe to Fact Bites.